So here.
Shi wannan kai za ka ce She back, come back, son. DITV kawai yake ya shift. Wallahi. Kaga duka su hannunsu.
Abdullahi hannun kama.
Please, sorry.
Push them now.
Where are you? Don't put the camera now. Huh? Tell us what transpired in court today.
Well, the bail application was argued and responded to, and the ruling on that bail has been fixed for the 14th of April. We look forward to that date. We'll be in court. Any lawyer will be hopeful. We are hopeful. We have put our arguments before the court, and this is a court of justice. We look forward to the decision of the court. Thank you.
Sorry, sir, one last question, sir. April 10, you'll be returning to the Federal High Court.
14th.
Yeah, I know. April 10, you'll be returning to the Federal High Court in Abuja. Are you ready for that?
That's a separate one. Every lawyer, we are ready. We filed the papers. We'll go there. That's the DSS matter.
Yes.
We'll go there.
Thank you very much.
Well, has it been granted bail?
No. The bail application was taken today.
Okay.
So the ruling comes up on the 14th. Okay. That's all there is. My senior will be here in a minute. Okay. So please, you'll attend to any further questions you have.
Yin central. Wasu tafi kuma ga motar. Da sai da kan shi ne kun bare mu shi kare. Shetima ya bi.
Ana ce shi ga gaishe ba wa gaishe yana ce ba yawa ni ma kai ci ne ana ce mishi ga gaishe ta ya bashi wani yana
Saidu, me yasa kana yi mana haka? Kada ka sake shiga irin wannan abun fa. Sai ka duka shi shiga shop
kai tega na mu magana tega
Sir, you have not spoken to us before. No, sir, I want to talk to you. It has been long. It's not right.
Call him, let him come here direct.